My name's Alainn Bailey and I love to cook. As a mom and a dietitian, I'm always on the lookout for new recipes. So today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate lava cakes, exploding with minerals and antioxidants. So first of all, let's talk about the right and the wrong type of chocolate.
There's a wrong kind of chocolate?
Dark chocolate, the one we like, has 75 to 80% cocoa in it. So this recipe is super easy. In the first stage, into our bowl, we place 2 ounces of butter and 4 ounces of chocolate, and we leave it to melt gently. Once the chocolate and butter mixture is melted, you're just going to leave it on the stove to keep warm. Fiamma, can you peel a banana for me?
Okay.
So for the rest of the recipe, we're going to mash up 1 banana and combine it with 2 eggs, a little pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. I've included a banana in this recipe because it adds more fiber and it means that we can remove some of the sugar and also some of the butter. Interesting thing about this recipe, that for all the yummy goodness, each portion has only 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. What you're looking for is the mixture to become light and foamy. For the final part of the recipe, we bring over the chocolate and we want to fold it lightly into the egg, sugar and banana mixture. So you can tell when the mixture is ready because all of the chocolate has been fully incorporated into the other ingredients, but the texture is still very light and fluffy. So our chocolate lava cake's ready, and we love to eat it with just a few raspberries, sometimes with a little dollop of Greek yogurt. You go first. Oh, it's all lovely and soft and cakey on the outside and gooey and chocolatey on the inside.
For more kid-approved recipes, check out Maisonette.com.